Dauladabad Fort, built in the year 1187 by the first king of Yodhya dynasty. It is annexed by the Alauddin Khalji, and in the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, it is renamed as Dauladabad. This whole city is renamed by the Muhammad bin Tughlaq as Dauladabad.
Daulatabad Fort, also known as Devgari Fort, is a historic fortified citadel located in Daulatabad village near Aurangabad, Maharashtra. The Daulatabad Fort complex houses several structures of significance. The Chand Minar, or the Tower of the Moon, is a striking architectural accomplishment of Alauddin Bahmani, who constructed it in 1435 CE. It is one of the world's tallest stone minarets and has been regarded as a significant piece of Indo-Islamic architecture. The historical triangular fortress in the city was initially built around 1187 by the first Yadava king, Bhilama, in 1308. The city was annexed by Sultan Alauddin Khalji of the Delhi Sultanate, which ruled over most of the Indian subcontinent. In 1327, Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq of the Delhi Sultanate renamed the city from Devgari to Daulatabad and shifted his imperial capital to the city from Delhi, ordering a mass migration of Delhi's population to Daulatabad. However, Muhammad bin Tughlaq reversed his decision in 1334, and the capital of the Delhi Sultanate was shifted back to Delhi. The area of the city, the hill fortress of Devgari. It stands on a conical hill about 200 meters high. The only means of access to the summit is by a narrow bridge, with the passage for not more than 2 people abreast, and a long gallery excavated in the rock, which has, for the most part, a very gradual upward slope. Much of the lower slopes of the hill has been cut away by Yadava dynasty rulers to leave 50-meter vertical sides to improve defenses. The fort is a place of extraordinary strength. The fort complex presents impressive examples of architecture, military engineering, town planning, and water management systems. The fort was built in several stages across centuries. Perhaps the most enchanting qualities is its location, from the zenith of which you can capture a mesmerizing view of the entire city. You need to hike some 750 odd steps up to the top, but the view down below is a wonderful thing to behold.